Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert miles to inches. This conversion can be useful for various applications. Whether you're working on a construction project, studying engineering, or simply want to understand distances on a smaller scale. Let's start with the basics. A mile, often abbreviated as MI, is a unit of distance commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. An inch, represented as in, is a much smaller unit of distance. Now, here's the key part. 1 mile is equal to approximately 63,360 inches. To convert miles to inches, all you need to do is multiply the number of miles by 63,360. For example, if you're planning a 5-mile road construction project and want to know the total distance in inches, simply multiply 5 miles by 63,360. That's a total of 316,800 inches. Let's consider another scenario. If you're an architect designing a building with a 2-mile view, converting it to inches is straightforward. Just multiply 2 miles by 63,360 to get 126,720 inches. And there you have it. Converting miles to inches is a simple process. Remember that 1 mile equals approximately 63,360 inches. With a bit of practice, you'll become skilled at making this conversion, allowing you to work with distances on a smaller scale. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.